Hello and welcome to 10 Minutes with Taha, where we're going to take your daily roundup of crypto news and this overly caffeinated industry, and we're going to break it down into a distilled and easy to digest form in under 10 minutes for you. So whether it's big news, crazy news, whatever it is, we got you covered here. So let's jump right in. First up, general market vibes. So the crypto market right now is basically meh. I mean, we got a little bit of green in there, lots of red here and there, some consolidation, but nothing really to tweet to your ex about. Let's look at the granddaddy Bitcoin real quick. We're about at 113 right now. It's kind of hovering back and forth between this 112 and I'd say about 118 or so this past week. We just got a lot of consolidation going on right now. Nothing too big. Let's look quickly at ETH. ETH did have a drawdown into about 3,300. It is recovering a bit right now, kind of in this mid 3,000s range. If we go back, let's take a look at the crypto fear and greed index. So it basically moved right back into neutral. And that basically means that everybody's confused again. Usually it's advisable to be selling when we get up to the greed and to be buying when we get down into fear, as a lot of you probably already know. Right now we're neutral. There's a lot of indecisiveness in the market. A lot of this is due to concerns with tariffs, obviously what happened last week at the Fed, them holding rates. There is some good news that there's a high chance that for the September meeting, there's a high probability that we will have a cut, at least with the poly markets and the percentages right now. So let's jump into the first article that we have for today. So Robert Kiyosaki, the guy that wrote Rich Dad, Poor Dad, is now saying that there's a chance that Bitcoin's going to be crashing to 90K in August. But the good news is he does say that if that happens, he is going to be buying more. He's going to actually double his position, according to him, because that's what you do when the Titanic's about to hit an iceberg, right? You go and you buy another cabin on the Titanic. And basically he's blaming that this is the August curse. In history, Bitcoin, I think August is one of the worst months, that Bitcoin's performance, and also the debt concerns, and also the Fed, which we talked about earlier. So he's saying that all these points are going to be leading into a possible big dip in August. Next up, Japan's parliament member apparently just bought $1 million of Bitcoin. Because nothing screams, trust me, I know what I'm doing, by converting your government paychecks into Satoshis. Just imagine if US senators aped into Bitcoin instead of ETFs named after dead birds. Next up, Metanet is going full on sailor mode. Their plan is to spend $3.7 billion to accumulate Bitcoin in the next couple of years to get 210,000 Bitcoins. They're not just trying to become bullish, they're trying to become the next MicroStrategy. Next up, Senator Cynthia Lummis says that the bill to buy 1,000 Bitcoin by the US government is about to hit the floor soon. Mega bullish news, if you ask me. What do you think? You think this bill is going to pass? And what do you think it's going to do to the price of Bitcoin? Leave it in the comments below. Next up, Arthur Hayes drops a doom bomb. He thinks that Bitcoin and Ethereum and some other coins have topped. And it says here he sold $13 million of his money in Ethereum, Athena, Pepe. But hey, even the man that's called several bottoms gets nervous sometimes, but it's right before we go absolutely vertical. Next up, Ethereum lost $152 million, but that's after billions and billions of dollars of accumulation. So when you just look at the headline, it says 150 million out. But if you dig deeper, it says this is after 5.4 billion in. Next up, all you Solana fans, the new Solana secret phone is now shipping. If you guys remember the Saga phone, that did terrible, but the people that did buy it cashed in quite well on the Bonk airdrop, which did some insane multiples. The new secret phone apparently had 150,000 pre-orders, which is a lot more than probably the 12 orders they had on their first phone, half of them probably being their internal employees. That's it for today's 10 minutes with Taha. If you laughed, hated this, or just about whatever emotion that you had, please leave a comment below. I'll try to roast you tomorrow. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. It means so much to me. Stay sharp, and I'm rooting for you. And remember, none of this is financial advice unless it works. And if it does, then I told you so. See you tomorrow.